Hello, welcome to Kurdish Lessons. I know many of you are learning Kurdish because your husband's or wife's family is Kurdish and you want to communicate with them. If so, let's learn some vocabulary about family, okay? Mother of your wife or your husband will be Khasu. Khasu Yahman, my mother-in-law, Khasu Yahman. And the father of your wife or husband is Khazur, father-in-law, Khazur Ayman. Khazur Ayman. Okay? And the sister of your husband is Dishaman or Gormaman. Okay? Dishaman, Gormaman. And the brother of your husband is your Tiyemen. Okay? And the sister of your wife, so if you are a man, is Balduz Zaman. Okay?